If you've ever dreamed of making money by sharing your ideas, skills, or passion with the world, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to build a profitable blog step by step, from choosing your niche to monetizing your content and scaling your traffic. Whether you're brand new or you've tried blogging before, this guide will help you turn your blog into a real business that earns money while you sleep. So grab your notebook, and let's get started. Section 1. Choosing a profitable niche. Before you write your first post or design your website, you need to decide what your blog will be about, your niche. A niche isn't just a topic. It's a specific focus area that helps you attract the right audience and build authority. A profitable niche has 3 key ingredients. 1. Audience demand. People are searching for it. 2. Monetization potential. There are products, services, or ads that fit your niche. 3. Your passion or knowledge. You'll stay consistent because you care about it. Let's break that down. Start by brainstorming your interests. What could you talk about for hours? What do people ask you for help with? Now research those ideas using tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest. Look for topics that have steady or growing interest, not fads that fade overnight. For example, personal finance is huge. But you can niche down into saving money for families, side hustles for beginners, or investing for women. A narrower niche helps you stand out and makes SEO easier. Then, test monetization. Search for affiliate programs in your niche. Are there companies offering commissions for promoting their products? Check Amazon, ClickBank, Impact Radius, or ShareASale. If you see relevant offers and products people already buy, you're in a good niche. Finally, make sure you can create at least 50 to 100 potential content ideas in that space. That means it's deep enough to grow long-term. The best niches in 2025 continue to be personal finance and investing, health and wellness, especially mental health and biohacking, tech and AI tools, career growth and remote work, lifestyle and minimalism, food, travel, and sustainability. Once you've picked your niche, commit to it for at least 6 months. That focus will help you gain traction and credibility. Section 2. Creating valuable content. Now comes the fun part, content creation. Your blog's success depends on the quality, consistency, and usefulness of your posts. Here's the secret. Write for your reader, not yourself. Ask, what problems are they trying to solve? What questions do they type into Google? What information do they wish someone explained clearly? Each article should answer a specific question or solve a pain point. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need to be clear, helpful, and authentic. Start with keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Key Search, or Ahrefs to find phrases people are actually searching for. Then structure your post around those keywords. 1. Catchy headline. Include the keyword and a benefit. 2. Strong intro. Hook your reader in the first few sentences. 3. Subheadings, H2s, H3s. Break your content into sections for easy reading. 4. Visuals. Add charts, infographics, or screenshots to keep attention. 5. Clear call to action, CTA. Encourage readers to subscribe, comment, or share. Use AI tools to speed up your workflow. ChatGPT, Jasper, or Writesonic can help brainstorm outlines, generate drafts, or suggest headlines, but always edit for your voice. You can even use AI SEO tools like Surfer SEO or NeuronWriter to optimize each post before publishing. Consistency is key. Post regularly, at least once a week when starting. And don't just publish and forget. Share your posts on Pinterest, LinkedIn, or Medium to drive traffic back to your blog. Repurpose your content into short-form videos or carousels for social media. One blog post can become 5 to 10 pieces of content if you plan it right. Section 3. Monetization methods. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know: how to make money from your blog. There are several ways to monetize, and the best bloggers combine multiple streams for stability. 1. Display ads. Once you have consistent traffic, you can join ad networks like Google AdSense, Mediavine, or Raptive. You earn money each time visitors see or click your ads. While ads are easy to set up, they require significant traffic to pay well, usually 50,000 plus monthly views. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to earn. You promote other people's products using special links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Focus on products you genuinely recommend and that fit your niche. For example, a fitness blogger might promote protein powders or yoga mats. A finance blogger might recommend budgeting apps or investment platforms. Write reviews, comparisons, or tutorials, not just random affiliate lists. The more trust you build, the higher your conversions. 3. Sponsored content. Brands will pay you to create blog posts, videos, or social content promoting their products. As your blog grows, reach out to companies directly or list yourself on influencer platforms like Aspire IQ, Collaborate, or IntelliFluence. Negotiate fair rates based on your audience size and engagement. 4. Sell digital products or services. This is where blogging gets really profitable. Create and sell ebooks, templates, online courses, or memberships that solve your audience's problems. For example, a travel blogger might sell trip planners. A marketing blogger could sell Canva templates or mini courses. These digital products have high margins and passive income potential once created. 5. Email marketing. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Start building it from day one using free tools like ConvertKit or Beehive. Offer a lead magnet, a free guide or checklist, in exchange for signups. Then nurture your subscribers with value-packed emails that link back to your blog posts, affiliate offers, or digital products. A good email funnel can double or triple your income over time. Section 4. Scaling your blog. Once you've built your foundation, it's time to grow, scaling your blog into a full-time business. Here's how to take it to the next level. 1. Create a content schedule. Plan your content ahead of time. Use tools like Notion, Trello, or ClickUp to organize ideas, keywords, and publish dates. Consistency builds momentum. Aim for at least 4 to 8 posts per month when growing. 2. Build backlinks and authority. Backlinks, links from other websites to yours, help your SEO rankings. You can earn them by guest posting, collaborating with other bloggers, or sharing expert quotes through platforms like Haro, Help a Reporter Out. As your domain authority rises, your posts will rank faster and bring in more organic traffic. 3. Repurpose and diversify. Turn your best posts into YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or newsletters. You're not just a blogger, you're a content creator. Different platforms help you reach new audiences who eventually click back to your blog. You can even launch a podcast or digital course based on your top blog content. 4. Track analytics. Use Google Analytics 4 and Google Search Console to track which posts drive traffic and income. Double down on what's working, and update older posts to keep them fresh. Blogging is a data game. The more you analyze, the faster you grow. 5. Collaborate for growth. Partner with other bloggers or creators in your niche for cross-promotions, guest features, or product bundles. Collaboration helps you grow faster than doing it alone. Section 5. The 2025 Blogging Mindset. Blogging isn't about going viral overnight. It's about building a real digital asset that compounds over time. Your first few months might feel slow. But every post, every email, and every backlink adds up. Treat your blog like a business. Learn basic SEO, understand your audience, and keep refining your content. By month 6 to 12, most dedicated bloggers start seeing real income. By year 2, you can earn anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per month, or more, depending on your niche and strategy. Remember, the key is consistency. Don't give up when traffic feels low. Keep creating, keep optimizing, and keep learning. In 2025, blogging is still one of the most sustainable, creative, and profitable online businesses you can build. So, there you have it, the complete roadmap to building a profitable blog in 2025. We covered how to choose your niche, create amazing content, monetize your blog, and scale it into a thriving online business. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next, we'll dive deeper into affiliate marketing strategies that can double your blog income fast. Until then, keep writing, keep growing, and keep believing in your voice. Because your story deserves to be shared, and it can change your life.